Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to talk about the autofill feature in Microsoft Excel, where you can start with something and then the Excel will automatically fill up the rest of these data. So here, for example, we have four examples: numbers, days, months, and years. For numbers, for example, if I want to get from 1 to 50 or 100, so I can start with 1 only. And then from here, you will see the right bottom angle here. I can just go when I see the mouse comes as black plus, I can drag it down up to the way that I want. Now you will see all the numbers as number one. But here, see at the end of this, you will see this small icon. Just click here and then go to the fill series. Now it comes as by numbers. Now I can extend it more. If I see it also the same, just I can change this one to fill zeros. So it will be filled as automatically. The same for the days. For example, if I start by Sunday, then just the first one and drag it down, we'll see all the days written sequentially: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and also start again with another week and so on. The same with months. For example, if I start by any month, not just from January, let's say from March, and then drag it down from here. So it will be March, April, May, June, July, and so on. The same with years. Let's say I want to start from 2000. Then drag it down. Again, if I see it the same, just I go down and then select fill series. And now you'll see 2001, 2, 3, 4 up to 2020. So this is how you can use the auto fill function. Also here we have shortcuts for writing months. For example, if I want to write the 3rd of March, so I can just type this way, 3 will be 3rd of March. Another way is also, for example, 4th of August. Oh, sorry, 8th of August. So start with the a month, for example, August. So the 5th of August. So you can type it by this way. Also, you can include the year. For example, let's say 3rd of August 2020. So this is another way of writing as a shortcut. So this way also available in Excel. Thank you very much.